How are you doing? Yes, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Oh, no problem. Oh, wow. I know, it's amazing. I know. We're almost there. Yes, we're almost there.
Hey, bro.
I love starting songs. Oh, we're about to fly over Alaska. And I have no clue what. Oh, we're flying over the frozen ocean right now.
Wait, is that the rail inside your plane? 1, 2, 3.
Wow, it looks like sticks.
Can you get it? Then Michael.
What's that stuff?
Where is my new video? Where is that new? It's not done on one. Yeah.
We have a couple more miles to go. Or should I say 1 more mile to go. But it's a very beautiful out, even though there is water all over my window. I love sitting at the wing. Ow, my ears hurt. Oh, look, it's JFK. Oh, look, it's New York. Sorry, but ow, my ears really hurt. Why are they hurting? Is it just because we're landing, or is it because of how much pressure we're taking because we're landing? The city is very big down there, and I love that really big bridge. JJ, be quiet.
Hello guys, my name is David.
And we are on a 787, right?
Yes.
And it is very amazing. Wow, look at New York. Look at New York. Isn't it amazing?
Yes.
I know, isn't it beautiful?
Yes.
I can't wait till we land so I can put this video on YouTube.
Hey, is this my real voice?
I believe so.
Yes. I'm your cousin, right?
And there is a very awesome, that's the airport that we're going to land at. It's just that we need to get lower. I hope that they don't force the plane down on us. Because if they force the plane down, the plane will be forced. Oh, now they're forcing the plane down. We're too high to land. No, this is not the airport we're going to. We're going to the next one that we see.
Oh.
I think. I don't know.
Okay.
But I just know we're not going up to this airport. Ugh, I hate trips. Now we're closer. You can see the Twin Tower attacks. Wait, Twin Tower. JJ, can you please stop watching SpongeBob? Alright, now
this looks nice.
I know, now that we're gonna land. We're not gonna do a belly landing. It's not like the engine's on fire. Would you stop trying to make me fall for it? Because I am not going to fall for it. But we are very close to the ocean. Oh,
I can tell this is mine. Because Dad made me some chocolate milk and he didn't know what time he heard it. And I didn't drink it.
So that's why you were off at school yesterday, right?
I was on what?
You were off at school yesterday, remember? Yes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Where was that today?
No, we're on an airplane today. Aren't we? Yes, and we are almost there. Before we went on our trip. Oh, yeah. Right? It's now 4:58. We're so close to the ocean, it looks like we're going to plop right in it. Wait, what? No, we are not going to plop into the ocean. No, 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 no. Nuh-uh, not at all.
Let's see how close we are.
I can even see the sharks in the water. This is scary. But I like it.
In the land.
Yeah, because we're landing.
Look,
That's our plane shadow, not a shark.
oh,
Sorry.
that looks like an F-shark.
Ouch.
I know.
Don't need to hurt me on the airplane.
It's so big that the driver doesn't care because it's a me driver.
You're not the driver.
I know, and the driver's name is Hawaii.
Our sister is not the driver of the airplane.
Duh, she's not our sister. She's our half-sister.
Yeah, she's sitting in the first class cabin, is she?
That still has the word sister in it.
Yeah.
So yes, I am her sister.
Yes, she is. Oh, I see a bunch of boats.
Hold over, Dan.
So you don't say, no, she's not our sister, she's our half-sister.
Yeah.
You say,
Oh, hi, Mom. What brings you to this
she's
cabin?
my half-sister, but she's still my sister.
Wait, what? Wow. This is a beautiful view. We're about to land. Now, don't chew with your mouth open.
So,
Mom, why are you opening your suitcase?
so I can look at my gun.
You're not going to shoot it on board, are you?
Yeah.
Good. And how did you get that on the airplane anyway?
I didn't take it on an airplane.
We're on an airplane right now.
Yeah, and my ears are hurting really bad right now.
Mine's here.
Oh, I can see a really big bridge. Shiny light.
with Sprout by HP.
Oh, come on.
Technology.
Why do I have to watch this on my tablet screen? I guess I'll just go to my window again.
Lynn, have you seen the interview?
My camera loaded. I hate it when my camera loads. Alright, now my ears are really gonna hurt bad.
Mine too.
Why does my camera have to load?
All day, every day. All night, every night.
Would you shush,
What?
please?
Didn't you already have a gun, Lynn? Nope. But so bought a small silver handgun.
What are you doing?
He has one. I don't.
She just got today. She just got the gun today.
Before we went to the airport, right?
Uh-huh.
Now we're landing. This is so exciting. I am so happy. Happy. Ow. Okay, I guess I'll just hold my breath.
Am I old enough to have a gun? No. Huh? No.
I don't know for sure what the age restrictions are.
Okay, now we're landing at JFK.
But you're definitely not mature enough to have a gun.
Am I old enough to learn how to use one?
Why are you guys talking about guns on an airplane? Everyone's looking at you now.
Actually, I don't even know how to use one. But
Well, pointing it and firing it isn't the only thing you need to know. You gotta know how to operate it, how to take it apart and clean it. You need to know the law.
Isn't this beautiful, JJ? JJ? Oh yeah,
it's not JJ.
I forgot. You're in the eating cabin.
When someone comes in your house, or so when it comes down to it and an intruder comes into your house, you need to know how to shoot it.
Well, there's also other things.
Everybody's looking at you
It
guys.
jams, and you know how to unjam it.
We're still too high to land.
I heard that if you shot somebody in the kneecap, it's extremely painful.
Shooting anybody anywhere is
Ow.
probably the least painful because it usually kills them pretty quickly.
We just went over. Oh, Swiss. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Touch.
Wait, something's so loud, David.
This is an airplane.
Doesn't mean you have to be loud.
Why? Ooh, look, I just saw a plane take off. How awesome.
I miss the Disney trip. I love stuff like that.
Then why don't you go on an airplane to Disney World? Because there's a Swiss airplane going to Disney World.
We are close enough to Disney World, so we don't need a plane, right?
Yep.